In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix WhatsApp call unavailable in just few steps. So let's dive in. So there are two methods to fix it. Firstly, so it may showing call unavailable due to corrupt version of WhatsApp. So to repair it, simply open your Google Play Store and here update your WhatsApp Messenger to get latest one. In every new update of app, company fix all bugs. So you have to use updated version of your app. So after updating it, open it and see if your problem is fixed or not. And even if it's not fixed now, simply from WhatsApp, you have to click on these three dots on the right top side and open settings. And in settings, you will find this help on bottom side. Open it and here open this help center. In help center, on the left bottom side, you will find this sports for live chat. Click on that and it will open this contact us window. Now you can write your issue like I am having issue with my WhatsApp calls being unavailable. Help me to fix this issue. Then simply click on next. After clicking next, it will show you this checking help center. Then it will show you some of more. This helps to read to fix your issue, but you have to click on this send my question to WhatsApp support. Then you will get this message. Thanks for your message and your ticket number is this. We are reviewing your issue and we will respond as soon as possible from WhatsApp support official. Then your issue will be solved. So that's how you can fix WhatsApp call unavailable in just few steps.